a week or once a week, but for a month siwezi jua how many times. I'm a Marian and then Karamero. Ba mzee hatuona na hapo mno. Kwa ankwenda kuwa iboya sana ntuba SportPesa kwa Meru atu appreciate kabisa. Na atu kuwa ngayendelea bongela na SportPesa choke yare. If you can understand what I mean. SportPesa choke yare na yendele na inya no ntumbie ibona tichia kuri wodheri itukona ichi tenyaki some places like hospitals na initiative cha hii ichechi ukairia society ukona lazima usupport nya company ya hii leo iko kwina company nyingi ukona ene nenkana era into ke society ko ukabato etara no ntubara ibo banenkana erambi into back to the society. So we want to thank you SportPesa. That's what I was going to say in Kimero. Hiyo yote nikusema tu asante. Okay.